Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Buff163. First, create your Buff163 account using a valid phone number. Next, link your Steam account to Buff163, ensuring it is fully verified. It is crucial that your Steam Guard mobile authenticator has been active for at least 15 days to enable trading. Finally, locate and input your Steam trade URL into your Buff163 profile settings. This setup ensures a smooth and secure selling experience for all your valuable items. Once your account is ready, head over to your Buff163 inventory. Here, you will see all your eligible Steam items. Select the specific items you intend to sell. It is important to research current market prices to set a competitive price for each item, aiming for quick sales. Double-check all the listing details, including the price and item condition, before you confirm and publish your listing to the marketplace. When a buyer purchases your item, Buff163 will send you a trade offer from their official bot. You must accept this trade offer through Steam. Crucially, confirm the trade on your Steam mobile authenticator to finalize the transfer. Always verify that the correct item has been successfully transferred from your Steam inventory. Once confirmed, the corresponding funds will be promptly credited to your Buff163 account balance, ready for your next steps. After successfully selling your items, you can withdraw your earnings. Navigate to the withdrawal section within your Buff163 account. You will typically find several withdrawal methods available, such as bank transfer or various e-wallets. Select your preferred option and enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw. Always double-check all the transaction details, including the recipient information, before confirming the withdrawal to ensure your funds reach you safely and accurately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.